Victor usually fishes on the river. He always practices a catch and release in free areas. Marta's fond of nature. She really likes walking along riverbanks. Kim likes animals. He loves taking photos of them. Victor, Marta and Kim have something in common. They all use the app RiuNet. Oh, and they share something else. They are all family. First, we indicate our position to know in which river we are. To start, we need to notice if the water is flowing in the river. Sometimes water flow ceases and water remains in disconnected pools. And other times, the flow declines until the riverbed dries completely. Do we know if this changes during the year? Yes, because Victor does not fish in summer because the river's dry. It's what we call temporary rivers. It's time to take a photo of the river and we are ready to start with the tests. To know whether the river's hydrological regime is natural or modified due to man's activities, we need to know how much water is withdrawn from the river. Notice the infrastructures and water uses in the vicinity of the river. We focus our attention on the riparian area, particularly on vegetation. We assess if vegetation is continuous along riverbanks, how the adjacent landscape is, if there is litter or if it is a channelized river. We identify the type of substrata, water depth and velocity. We also notice if there are elements such as algae, leaves, tree roots, mosses and branches. In order to observe the animals that inhabit the river, we must bring with us suitable tools. Invertebrates are usually abundant near stones. We take some stones with a net and we put them on the tray. The aim is to collect about 50 invertebrates. The app helps us to identify the most common types of invertebrates that can be found. They indicate us the ecological quality of the river. And if the river's dry? In this case, you will not find animals, but we can continue with the other tests. And that's all. It's easy, isn't it? The last thing we have to do is to send the results. They are stored in a computer managed by a research team at the University of Barcelona. Before publishing them, researchers validate the received data. These data are useful to elaborate maps of the quality of rivers. Thanks to RiuNet, you will learn, be a scientist, contribute to improve rivers' ecological quality, and the most important thing, you will enjoy your time out. With RiuNet, the rivers are in your hands.